today's tutorial, I'll be teaching you how to add a text behind a video, and I'll be using CapCut editing app. So first of all, open your CapCut app, select new project, select the video you want to add a text. So let me select this one. So when it comes like this, you select text and then you select add text. So for the tutorial purpose, I'll be using text behind video. So you can also select whatever you want to put there. It can be your name, the title, or something like that. So when you come here, so you can select so you can make the text more appealing by making use of the items below, like the font. So my font, I'll select feature, and then the style, I'll select this one, and then the effect, I'll select this one. Yes. So when you are done, select tick, and then so you extend the text to where you want it. So for this tutorial, let it be the full video. Yes. So when you are done like this, you click on what? Export at the top right corner, that arrow pointing up. Yes. So here is where the trick is. Don't click on the done. Go back. Here's where the trick is. Don't click on the done. Click on the arrow pointing backwards at the top left corner. So when you come like this, then you tap on the text and then you delete it. Now you have to make a duplicate of the video left, which is the original video. Make a duplicate of the original video by clicking on the copy. So when it comes like this, then you click on the copied or duplicated video, and then you select overlay. So immediately you click on the overlay, it will bring that video down. Now you have to position that video to match the original video. Yes, like this. So now you click on the video above, which is the original video, and then you select replace. Yes, replace. So when you select the replace, and then you select the video that has the text in it. So here's that video. Then you click on confirm. And then now you come to the second video, the duplicated one, the copied video. And then you click on it. So when you click on it, come to your editing tools. You see remove background. Yes, remove background. So click on remove background. So now this is the results of our editing. Let's have a look at it. And as you can see, the text is behind the video very neatly. Yes, you can also do it. It is very simple and straightforward. Yes, if you follow the steps I have just taught you, you will do it very easy. If you like this tutorial, please share and then like this video for me, and also don't forget to subscribe.